Welcome kids to our channel. Let's learn together.
Today we learn about when we use this, these, that and those. First we learn when we use this and that. This mean near. This is an apple. That mean far. That is an apple. This is a bag. That is a bag. Let's repeat. This is a ball. That is a dog. This is an apple. That is a watch. That is an egg. This is a cat. Good. Let's learn these and those. These are apples. Those are boxes. These are cats. Those are cats. These are trees. Those are birds. Those are books. These are dolls. Those are stars. These are cats.
If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.